Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Welcome to What I Love Wednesday. Today I want to talk about my new favorite love, the Juno & Co. sponge. If this sounds like something you're interested in, or if you love this as well and you want to share some thoughts, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get right to the video. For the month of July, I decided I was going to put in my makeup bag, like, YouTube made me buy it stuff, and I watched this amazing girl here on YouTube. Her name is Heather. I'll leave her channel down below because she inspired me to get this sponge. She's always raving about it. It's a microfiber sponge, and we're all used to like the regular sponges. I don't even know what this is made out of. I tried Googling it and I got frustrated, so I stopped. I don't know what this is made out of. So if you know, let me know in the comments because I don't know. It's a sponge. But I have absolutely been loving this. I did get mine off of Amazon. They did come in a 4-pack here for $18, which it's basically $4.50 per sponge, which is a crazy great deal. I can't stop squishing it. It's bouncy. You know when you really get a good sponge and then you kind of get it worked in, you've washed it enough, and it's just got this yes bounce. It's not hard. It was never hard either. This is relatively still very new. It cleans really well. I really, really like this. I don't have any foundation on because I do want to put it on. But I did want to compare it to my other sponge. I bought I can't tell you how many of these I bought. I really, really like this sponge. And I've been lately just using my fingers because I've been liking the coverage. It's a little bit more skin-like, a little bit more natural. Medium is kind of where I like to sit as far as coverage, and this shears it out. I mean, it's a sponge, as all sponges shear out foundation, but it does apply really well, and I really, really have always liked this sponge. Once I used it, I was sold. This, holy crap. There's no getting used to it. There's no trial about it. You just fall in love. You fall in love with it. Heather said the same thing first time. She went, whoa, this is amazing. So I really, really love this. This is anywhere from $5.99 to $7.99 depending on where you get it and if there is a sale on it. So we'll say $8 because I usually get mine at Ulta. And these are $4.50 a piece. It's like half off. That's amazing. So you guys, I mean, seriously, she has two different ones. These are the microfiber fusion sponges. They have the ones where it's a pointy tip. Mine still haven't come in the mail yet, but they are in the mail because I really want to try them for concealer. I really think I like this. I would stop using my actually I have stopped using my fingers. I haven't done my foundation or my concealer with my fingers since I bought this. It's just crazy. So I thought for today I was going to put my foundation on and do one side with my regular sponge and one side with this. So you can see the coverage is amazing. I can't explain it enough or give this enough love. You just have to buy it. Put together a bunch of girlfriends and everybody just buy the pack. If you can't swing the $18, find the $4.50. It's basically a Starbucks coffee. So skip a coffee one day, make a pool, and buy these because these are fantastic. I also really noticed, usually if I use my L'Oreal sponge and I use the Fresh Wear foundation, which is one of my favorite go-tos right now, I use 3 pumps to cover my whole face and blend it into my neck. So that's average for what I need with this sponge. With this sponge, same foundation, same skincare, same primer, same foundation. I go in and I use like a pump and a half. So I'm literally using half the foundation and it's half the price. It's half. It's half. But it's not half as good. It's 1,000 times better. So let's zoom you in and put some foundation on. Okay, now that I have you super close, I do have all of my skincare on, and I did put Infallible Glow Lock on. I will have all the makeup linked down below. But when I first used this and I pumped out as much as I usually use with a sponge, I went, this could cover somebody else's face because there was so much product left over, which is amazing. I mean, we work hard for our money, and it's nice to see it not go so fast, I guess. So I am just going to dot this on the right side of my face. And actually, usually what I do is just pick it up with a sponge. So I am going to go in with a Juno & Co. sponge over here. I love this sponge. And it blends so fast. Like, the oval brushes, I think, blends really fast. This one is faster. I swear. And it's just effortlessly, I've been obsessed. I've been going through all of my concealers, all of my foundations to use this. It's amazing. So there's the one side. It's beautiful, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Do the same on this side. I'm so mad I didn't just pick it up with a sponge so that I could show you, but this one, I feel I really like it, but it soaks up the product, but then I have to bounce it more. And not that it's bothersome, but when you're a mom and you need to get to getting, it also has been saving me on not having to stop what I'm doing instead of going on to the next step and having to wash my hands and make sure all the makeup is off. So it has been actually saving me time. Oh my god, I've been having a deja vu moment. I've been having a deja vu moment every day for a while. Okay, I'm going to try to get you a little bit closer just so you can really see what I'm seeing. Okay, this is as closest to the camera as I can get, but I try to relax a little bit. But as you can see, I purposely didn't use a pore filling primer, and this side looks pretty blurred, I guess you would say. And this side, it doesn't look bad, but you can still see a lot of the redness peeking through here. And my pores just, you can see them. Everything like settles in here. I just have to pat that out and it's good to go. But even on my forehead, sorry, kind of looked up, there's just a little bit more pore visibility here than there is on this side. It's blurred. A little bit more coverage on this side than this side. This side right here, you can see a little bit of dryness, whereas this side you don't. Okay, I'm going to zoom through the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. So now I have everything all on my face. If you missed this look, it was yesterday's Get Ready With Me. And yes, I have my Black Rifle Coffee t-shirt. I live and breathe coffee, and this is the best coffee ever. No shame. Anyways, I absolutely love these sponges. I can't get enough of them. I'm super excited for this other one. Like I said, it looks like this. It doesn't have the indent, but it's a teardrop like this. But it's this. It's the same velvety microfiber kind of. I know it's really silly and it's kind of being materialistic. I think this is the best thing I've ever used to put makeup on. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. Everybody loves these sponges, and while I still really like this sponge, I think it does a really, really fantastic job of kind of muting down coverage, and so I could, you know, get to where I want with this. You know, if I want a lighter coverage, I can do a lighter coverage, or if I want a deeper coverage, I can build it. But this one, it's fast. And sometimes I need fast. I like fast. I like fast makeup. Just slap it on me, you know, and I don't usually place it with my finger. A lot of times I just right off my hand and pounce it on my face, and I use half as much. It's half the cost, and why not? It's half the time. It's just so amazing. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Have you tried any of these Juno & Co? I will leave a link down below to the Amazon site that I did get. They do have different options that you can buy. I bought the wrong set, but I have more of them coming because I really like these. I really, really like these. I can't stop talking. I wish I could reach through the camera to everybody and just give everybody one because they're good. I like it. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this crazy wacky sponge. I could talk about this all day, and like I said, I want to reach in there, grab your hand, and be like, just here, have this, because you love this. I love it. So I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of Wednesday mini ranting about what I love for the week at the moment kind of series. I'm having a lot of fun filming them because I like to talk. I always drink a lot of coffee. I don't think there's been a day in the last 2 years that I have not started my day with a cup of Black Rifle coffee. It's amazing. So all right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.